I'm Matt Jackman from Draper Civil Contracting. I'm a project engineer with the company. Well, some of the negative things of a paper-based system is you do have to keep on top of the updates and changes, and if you don't, well then potentially you can build the wrong thing. And the construction game, it's all about being efficient and being as quick as we can. The quicker we get into a job, the quicker we finish, the more profitable the business will be. Making mistakes on site, none of the guys want to actually redo work, and if it's as a result of a change on a plan that hasn't been updated to them, that's one of the sort of major issues we had. Having the right forms on the day, you have work safety spot inspections. We're a very good company from that point of view, but you know, not everyone's perfect, and some forms are missing sometimes on a paper system, and they're not filled out correctly. So yeah, they're sort of probably the key issues with a paper-based system. Yeah, back probably 6 months ago, we had a full paper-based system. It was a fairly comprehensive system, but it needed a lot of manual input. We, as a project engineer, we had to put together the folder with all the necessary forms that our guys fill out on a daily basis, weekly basis, toolbox, daily plants, the swims, all the plans. We needed to obviously get together a lot of paper plans, and whenever there was any changes, we needed to throw them out and start again, and issue new ones quickly on site. Yeah, so it was a heavy paper-based system that we had, and it was a good opportunity time to look to improve when vertical matters come online. Rolling out vertical matters to our staff, it did happen fairly quickly once we got the tablets and our devices, upgraded mobiles. We rolled it out in segments. We're a medium-sized company with 50-70 employees, so we did have to do it in stages. We started with our site managers, got them going. We did have an initial temporary group, I suppose, like a pilot group, just to iron out any glitches. That only went for a couple of weeks, and then we started pushing out after then. From a safety point of view, Draper's had a really good paper-based safety system in the past, and we have developed it over a number of years, and it's been built up. One of the issues with it though is it is a fairly complex system at the end of the day, so it can get a bit confusing. So one of the benefits of going electronic is the search functions. You can, the guys, if they're not sure, you can just put in the knowledge base a few keywords, you know, such as confined space. What do I do with that? Find the procedure, find the relevant forms, and then they can and move ahead. So it sort of can provide a bit of an elimination. You don't have to rely on ringing someone up and or second guessing yourself. You can got the information at hand to find if you're unsure, and that's the whole benefit of safety. Just taking a bit of time to think about things properly and then do it correctly, and then you don't really have issues on site. So that definitely benefit. Yeah, from a productivity point of view, it is a lot more efficient having an electronic system, and it's live and real data. We've got guys that work remotely, different areas a long way away. It's a lot easier to look at screens in real time and see what they're doing correctly and what they're not. Our OH&S manager can also look basically from the office without having to sort of do as many manual audits. We can just keep a good eye on the efficiency of the business, I suppose, and looking at the way we operate. You can do that without having to manually come out or to somehow record a paper-based system and get that data. We've got real-life data that we can use, and over time, as we build, that'll only get better as we improve the systems.